Hi, I'm Daren from Goldin Solar. Thanks for joining me for another episode of The Green Stuff. Joined with me today is Linda Cheung. Linda is a local artist among many other things, and we're going to be hosting Linda into my house, which is solar powered, to come and get her painting on in a house that's solar powered, so green, renewable energy powered painting session. I'm going to cook a vegan lunch for her later, so we can have a low impact, low footprint day.
Hello, my name is Linda, and I am an artist and social entrepreneur here in Miami. Been here a couple years, and my work is dedicated to using art and augmented reality and education to inspire the public to take action on climate change. So I was inspired to paint something about Goldin Solar that I find funny, which is this that you'll see what I will paint.
Hey guys, we're gonna make a vegan lunch today, and the name of the dish is vegan mac and cheese, which is a vegan version of mac and cheese with broccoli and cauliflower instead of macaroni, which isn't exactly make a lot of sense because it's mac and cheese with the mac removed, but the cheese also removed. But anyway, it's delicious, and we're gonna have a lot of fun making it. So we got here something that is a secret weapon in the vegan arsenal. This is called nutritional yeast seasoning. And this, when mixed with cashews and a couple of other things, tastes a lot like cheese. So let's make it and see how it is. We got the cheese ready, the cashew cheese. Next step is we're gonna mix it up with our broccoli and our cauliflower when it comes out of the oven. We got about 15 minutes.
No.
Lemon
Yeah.
flavor is so good.
Yeah.
Lemon in it.
I ordered about this. Dish was at like the taco bar that you were at, the House of Roots.
What you got there?
I got a vacuum cleaner here. So you know every person that likes to keep their house clean have to be prepared all the time. You never know when dust might fall on the floor. So there's only one way to have a clean space, and it's always be prepared. This is pretty awesome. I don't know who this person is that you drew, but it's a good looking guy. No, I had no idea that you were gonna do this really cool drawing, so thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna finish this on my own.
Sounds good?
And then when I'm done, I'll give it to you for your office.
That was beautiful. I love that.